Hello friends, you guys are watching my video blog. I am advocate TK Kaushik, and today guys we'll talk about Disha Ravi's case in which she prayed before the magistrate for the Toolkit FIR copy, some warm clothes, access to lawyer and family, etc. So we will talk about this, and if so far you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to do that. My social media details are right here, and do hit subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you'll get similar videos going forward in future. All right people, so let's quickly begin. So the case before the magistrate was wherein Disha Ravi, who's been named in the Toolkit case, which has come up recently related to farmers agitation. So this activist Disha Ravi, she prayed through her lawyer, wherein she was asking for a copy of the FIR. She's also asked for the warm clothes, access to lawyer and family, etc. So what we need to understand here is, when somebody is an accused person in any case, so to say, so how basically it derives. Now understand, when somebody is in a police custody, and how police custody happens is, when somebody has been arrested, within 24 hours time, the police will have to produce that accused person before the magistrate, and then the magistrate kind of evaluates if there's a need or a necessity for a police custody, and if there's no need or a necessity for a police custody, then it is always pushed that the accused person should go to a judicial custody. Now, as a defense lawyer do always want that police custody to get over, because that kind of tells that, hey listen, the investigation qua the accused person is over, hence either he can be admitted, or he or she can be admitted on a bail, or he or she can be sent to a judicial custody, because there is no requirement for a police interrogation. You know what really happens in a police interrogation. In case if you guys are watching my vlog, so that means you are interested towards knowing what apparently happens in judicial system, or how police basically works. So I'm sure you have a fair idea about that. If you do not, so yes, try and get to know about it. Accused persons normally would like themselves to be committed to a judicial custody. This is what the defense's stake is always. Defense counsel will always say, hey listen, there's no need for a custodial interrogation for my client, remit my client or send my client to the judicial custody. So this is basically what happens. You guys know, in the wake of COVID-19, there were so many prisoners, I mean to say under trial, as well as people, those who were convicts from various jails across nation. In fact, I should say globally, were released on payrolls or interim bails, etc. So activist Disha Ravi, she actually asked for a copy of FIR. So the Metropolitan Magistrates Court, this is learned Shri Pankaj Sharma, Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court, Patiala House Court, has actually granted her access to the Toolkit FIR copy, which was opposed by the state, that they can't give it the copy of the FIR. But as per law, copy of FIR, as per CRPC, copy of FIR is the absolute right of the accused person, so that needs to be provided. So the same was actually provided. Apart from that, she asked for warm cloths. So obviously this is also something which, as per humanitarian grounds, was about to given to her, so that was also allowed by the court. And access to lawyer and family was also granted to her. Now understand, in a police custody, this is up to the magistrate to decide that can accused person be given time to family, time to lawyer, but when it comes to judicial custody, that apparently happens as per the jail manual. So in Delhi right now we have Delhi prison manual prevalent, and Delhi prison rules prevalent. But when it comes to somebody who's in a police custody, lawyer access is pretty much available as a fundamental right, and family access is also available as per fundamental right. So what has been awarded by Delhi court to Disha Ravi right now, this is pretty much what her fundamental right is. And as per how law works in our nation, if you are an accused person, you are innocent till the time you've been pronounced guilty by any competent court. So by the same virtue, considering humanitarian grounds, considering that she requires warm cloth due to the weather, considering that she would require access to family and lawyers. So this was all granted to her. So guys, this is pretty much in today's video blog. Once again, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe it. Social media details were out here throughout this video. Guys, thank you for watching my video. You guys have a wonderful day or evening. Have a good one. Namaskar.